Okay, dolls, we are going to start. I am showing you how to do your DIY nails. Y'all, I am tired of paying so much money at the nail salon. I'd rather just do it myself, get it right. I'm saving money. It's actually quite relaxing for me. So I am prepping my nails right now. All that I have to do is just kind of buff my nails, make sure that any nail polish is off, and I go ahead and clip and do my filing. Okay, next thing you just saw me put on was a nail dehydrator, and now I'm going ahead and I'm going through each nail trying to find the proper size. So when you're looking for the size to put on your finger, you want to make sure you don't have any gaps. I'd rather have my fingernail be too big than too small because you can always file it. And at the end of the day, you do not want to get any air bubbles underneath your nail because you want to prevent water from getting under your nail. So next, you did see me put nail primer on. All of this comes in the kit. The nail primer is just to help adhere this gel to your nail. Again, you don't want to get moisture under your nails. Whenever you get moisture under your nails, you end up having fungus on your nails. You get the greenies. That's when there's green on your nails. Yes, that has happened to me. No, it doesn't hurt. And yes, it does grow out. But anyways, now you see me putting the nails actually on. So from here, you want to use the nail glue and put a layer on your nail first and then cure it. And then you want to use that nail glue and dab a little bit on your nail just so you can kind of place that nail down. Did you see that? Can you see how the nail glue kind of covers the nail when you smush the nail down? Now, don't worry, girl. If you end up with glue that hardens on the outside, you can use an actual nail file, or like me, you can use this nail drill and then go ahead and kind of get that extra glue off. But y'all, when I say this is a game changer for me, I really do enjoy doing my nails. It takes me anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, just depends on how complex my design is. But for this, these are my holiday nails that I did for Christmas, and I kept it so simple. Do y'all see how my nail was green? I told y'all, like, don't worry. Like, I mean, honestly, I prefer not to have green on my nails, but I had to learn the hard way, and that's why I'm doing this video for you, to kind of give you guys the heads up so you can prevent it from happening yourself. But anyways, I bought these nails from Amazon. I absolutely love them because these nails come already done with the French. If you want the deep French manicure look, you have to use the kind of nails that are stiletto like this, and then you simply cut off the tip. That is the trick. If you buy the nails that are already short but are French, your French is not going to be super deep on the ends of your nail. You see what I mean? So yeah, girl, this is all that I do. Once you file your nails, I like my nails to look square, so I'm gonna go ahead and file these square. And all you have to do is top it off with another coat of the nail glue. It's not actually nail glue, it's like nail polish builder, like gel builder, but it also doubles as glue. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just putting on that coat. And typically, if you wanted just clear nails, you can just add a top coat after curing this and you could be done. But I'm going to show you guys my little design. I am so proud of my design, y'all. Whenever I'm looking for designs, all that I do is go on Pinterest or I go on Instagram, and I have a little folder saved so that anytime I see a design that I think may be easy to do, I go ahead and do it. Now, everything that you see me use, from the light to the nails to the glue to this little diamonds and the pencil for the diamonds, it's like a wax pencil which helps you pick up the diamond easier. All of this stuff I will link down below in my Amazon storefront. That way you can find it yourself. I might have spent anywhere from $20 for the kit on up to $100 total, just buying all the little random things that I wanted to put, you know, on my nails over time. But again, this is an investment for me. I like doing it. It's fun. And honestly, these nails last me for around 2 to 3 weeks. And yeah, I totally recommend it. So all I'm doing now, again, is I use that nail glue top coat. Well, I'm sorry, not the top coat, but the nail glue builder gel. And I'm grabbing each one of these little diamonds and I'm putting them on my nail in like a V pattern. Once I put the diamonds on, I like to cure them for like a second right away because I don't want them to move or fall off. Now here I'm going ahead, I'm using some of this red gel to create a crisscross on my nail. Once I do the crisscross, I'm going to add 2 little loops on each top section, and then I put lines on the bottom to make a cute ribbon. So you guys just check this out. See how easy it is to find a design that you like on Instagram or Pinterest. And then you can do a DIY nail design yourself. And I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, it really did take concentration. This is probably why it takes me so long to do my nails, because I'm like a perfectionist. So just as a pro tip, if you mess up when doing your nail design, you could simply take a little bit of acetone on a cotton ball or a brush and wipe it off. So as long as you don't put the UV light on top of the nail polish, it's something you can wipe off and do again. Because I am right-handed, whenever I do my right hand, I have to take my time since I use my left hand for the design. That is a pro tip for you. So whenever you're doing your non-dominant hand, you guys can figure that out. Well, your dominant hand, whatever. You know what I mean, girl. But yeah, girl, afterwards you can use your top coat. I like to use a no wipe top coat, but this one I believe is a wipe top coat, so it's not sticky. You use some alcohol and you wipe. Look how cute, y'all. I was absolutely in love with these nails. I'm so glad I recorded them to show you. And yeah, this is the end result. Now make sure y'all like this video, share this video, make sure you follow me on all my social networks, and yeah, girl, happy new year. I know this video is late, girl, but whatever. Stay fabulous, stay fierce. I love you. Bye.
ITTIRL